laps, so did Herndon and the other supporting cast of the Road Warriors. How satisfied are you seeing them step up in these days or games where Robert isn't on his best foot?
That's a credit to Robert. He trusts his teammates to make the big play if they're taking him out of the game. That's what we need in any team. For example, is your trust to your teammate. Hindi yung pag walang nangyayari, akin na, di ba? Yes, akin yan. Pero pag may tumulong, bigay ko sa kasama ko. And I trust him to make a big play, big shot. Everybody misses shots, just as long as they're good shots. And yes, we missed some shots, but we made also big baskets. And Robert has become he's got now a defensive mentality mindset. Medyo meron ngayon sa defensive mentality mindset that he knows that it's a part of his game na kailangan ma-improve lang niya ng konti. And then the others play the same way also. So you have to give credit to Robert. Lahat natin ito.
Mike,